Kachingilang Gunhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jela Meklaya akan nyutrek Kuala Lungkat arjar arpuar kelai taisani bah halor kamat ben pencelani kerta thungkam hakikap Sorkar hak jela. Kasor jela kala terwa ben pencelani kerta thungkam dasan snem. Menteri berdikmi ikatan kampo iyeng ba lakamen romboy habakran sigilat pthai kubuar hadin Kachingilang ula ang bak Sorkar kat shime kerai bakhaddu hak Kachingilang Gunhun Menteri kebenwan.
The government also has deliberated upon the extending of the age limit for entry into government service, where there is a proposal that will increase from 32, from 37 to 32 plus 5, 37. But this could not be have been deferred because there is a deliberation about this armed force. Because as we know, a uniformed personnel for police, for excise, and for civil defense and home guard, and also for the entry into the forest guard of the forest department. Because in this uniform personnel, the training is needed and more of a physical thing is needed. So that's why, because there is a debate on that issue, so we defer it, but the government, the cabinet will take a final decision in these coming days.